What's going on, everyone? Charlie here, looking at the repo right now. It's been a minute since we've done one of these. For today, the repo demand is sitting at 1,455 billion. That is still high. We're still, if you look at this chart, going back to basically 2005, there's nothing even close. So 73 counterparties today. Overnight, obviously, the rate has not changed, 0.05, and obviously still extremely high numbers. But comparatively speaking, yesterday we only saw 1487. So we are down from yesterday slightly. Number of counterparties is down as well by 1. So that's basically it, 1.455 trillion. I expect this to continue throughout the end of the year. We'll have to wait and see what happens. But, easing is supposed to get this demand out of here. So once that begins, pay attention to the market because there's a lot of opportunities out there. So that's it for you. The repo, again, 1,455 billion. Let's go.